Okay, Peter brought in his 1974 for just a checkup.
Okay.
This is his machine with his bumper and the front end open, LED lights and light bar. And he has in here that we all use now, those are spring dampers.
Okay.
So you never break a spring. It's got all new undercarriage, complete. This is what the interior looks like. It's got hydraulic power steering, shifter on the dash, all that kind of stuff.
Beautiful.
And this is closed in with 1/4 inch plywood. This used to be my machine, a work machine. Eh?
Yeah.
We got lights on each side.
Okay.
This is a balanced and blueprinted 318 Chrysler Industrial with 360 heads on it.
Looks beautiful.
It's really torquey. And this is the factory transmission cooler. See the size of it
Yeah, it's
compared
huge.
to it's huge. It's a receiver for drop in or
Ball hitch.
a spindle hitch
Okay.
or a ball hitch, whatever you want. You want to look in here?
Beautiful.
This is switches at the end of the day, so no chance of fire or anything. The power's off. Eh?
Okay.
This is the interior.
Nice seats in here.
Yeah, and this compartment here was for all your tools and oil and stuff that you need.
Okay. So what did he bring it in for then?
He just brought it in for a checkup.
Okay.
Check the wire. Oh, we put new plugs and wires in
Okay.
today. Okay.
Oh wow.
So now you guys can take it out for a run, test run.
Oh, we're gonna.
I'm gonna show you another thing. When I owned it, we slept in here and cooked in here and checked ice. And these two pedestals each held a 20-gallon propane tank.
Okay.
So when you had heat in here at nighttime
Yeah.
with an infrared heater, and we had a hold-down cook stove on the back, a 2-burner, so we could cook
Okay.
meals.
So any tip of the day?
Tip of the day, if you got a machine, look after it.
Okay. So this is a beautiful 1974 wide gauge, completely restored. We're gonna go for a tour with Peter here right away. Okay, Peter's just gonna back up out of the shop right now. Again, this is his 1974 wide gauge. Schooner Shop Dog wants to get back into his Bombardier. Okay, Schooner Shop Dog, are you ready? And we're off. Again, just probably a quick test run here with Peter in his 1974 wide gauge. Okay, Peter's gonna go take a quick turn around the ice shack, and he's gonna come back this way, and we're gonna get him. Okay, here he comes. That's some raw power right there. Here he's gonna make another pass. That's some deep snow there. There we go. Okay, he's just picked me back up. We're gonna head back to the shop. This is a beautiful machine, Peter. Beautiful. Just have some tight quarters here, so Peter's just going to back up into the yard. Got a bit of company here today. Beautiful piece of machinery. I think all the Bombardiers thus far, it's the nicest riding in. Schooner Shop Dog. Quick basic maintenance at the shop and on the way home. And Peter's rolling in. Pretty good speed.